and they're dancing, and they're spinning, and their dresses are spinning like this, and their hair is spinning. Flowers are flying everywhere. Their necklaces break off. It's a completely wild dance. No such thing in Vaikuntha, no such thing in Shivalok, or even in Indralok. Indralok, they do certain dances. The kinnaras and chanaras and gandharvas, they dance in particular Vedic style dances, but no Ras Leela like this. There's no Ras Leela even in heaven, only here on earth with Krishna. So when Chandravali is dancing with Krishna, she's always watching Krishna's steps and her own steps, and she's very careful. I don't want to step on Krishna's feet. He's my beloved. He's my Lord. I have to be very careful. And she can't really relax because she's just watching. But then when Radharani, because she has this pranaya, Radha pranaya, this pranaya, she has this pranaya prem. It's just like prana means my life force. So your breath is my breath. If you don't breathe, I don't breathe. If I don't breathe, you don't breathe. So your prana means life, breath, my life force. So if you're alive, I'm alive. So Radharani thinks, I'm you, and your body is my body is your body. There's no difference. So Radharani, she dances with abandon. She dances so amazingly. That's why she's called Gandharva, Gandharvika Radha. Such a marvelous, amazing dancer. And she's not even thinking, she's just dancing. And so many times she bumps Krishna, she steps on his ankle, and she doesn't say, oh, excuse me, I'm sorry, Prabhu. I mean, this is really Prabhu, because Prabhu means God, not us. But, when she's, oh, Prabhu, that means okay. Prabhu Kai. Gauranga Mahaprabhu is called Prabhu in the Chaitanya Charitamrita and Chaitanya Bhagavat. Prabhu Kai. Mahaprabhu said, Lord Chaitanya. So she sometimes steps on his feet, or kicks him, or maybe even scratches his heel with her toenail. Doesn't care. He doesn't. Oh, you scratched me, your toe. No. So this is the intimacy of Radharani. She can do anything with Krishna. He's like,